Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Honda 2.0 Turbo K20C engine, specifically the K20C1 and its derivatives, K20C2, K20C4, represents a significant shift for Honda, moving from their legendary naturally aspirated, high-revving performance engines to turbocharged, direct-injected units. This engine is at the heart of modern performance Hondas like the Civic Type R, FK2, FK8, FL5 generations, as well as more mainstream models like the Accord and Acura RDX/TLX. Review and opinions. The K20C engine is generally praised for its immense power, strong torque delivery, and surprising refinement, while still retaining some Honda character. Performance. This is where the K20C shines. The K20C1 and the Civic Type R produces 306 to 320 horsepower and around 400 Newton-meters of torque, which is a massive leap over previous naturally aspirated K20S. It delivers power with authority throughout the rev range, with minimal turbo lag and a very broad, flat torque curve. This makes for exhilarating acceleration and excellent in-gear flexibility. Even the less potent K20C2/C4 variants, e.g., an Accord, CR-V, TLX, offer strong performance for their class, often outperforming older V6 engines. Driving experience. The K20C offers a distinctly different driving experience from its naturally aspirated predecessors. Instead of waiting for high RPM VTEC engagement, you get immediate and strong pull from low RPMs. While the red line is lower than older Type R engines, the usable power band is much wider. The noise is more a refined growl with a turbo whistle rather than a high-pitched scream. Refinement. Despite its high output, the K20C is remarkably refined for a performance turbocharged four-cylinder. It's smooth at idle and during cruising, with vibrations well managed. Advantages. High power and torque output. Delivers sports car-level performance from a 2.0-liter engine, thanks to the turbocharger and direct injection. Broad power band. Excellent low-end and mid-range torque thanks to the turbo, making it highly usable in daily driving and very quick on the road. Direct injection. DI improves fuel efficiency and allows for higher compression ratios for more power. Integrated exhaust manifold. Headifold. The exhaust manifold is cast into the cylinder head, which helps with packaging, heat management, and quicker turbo spool-up due to shorter exhaust gas paths. Closed deck block. K20C1. The K20C1 used in the Type R features a closed deck block design, which provides superior rigidity and strength, making it highly robust for high boost applications and track use. Strong foundation for tuning. Like its naturally aspirated predecessors, the K20C engine has proven to be very robust and capable of handling significant power increases with aftermarket tuning. Good fuel efficiency. For performance for the power it produces, the K20C can be surprisingly fuel efficient when driven conservatively, thanks to direct injection and intelligent engine management. Timing chain. Continues Honda's tradition of using a timing chain for longevity and reduced maintenance. Disadvantages. Carbon buildup, direct injection. As with most direct-injected engines, without port injection to clean the valves, carbon deposits can accumulate on the intake valves over time. While not widely reported as a severe issue for the K20C, Honda's DI systems are generally good. It's a potential long-term concern that might require cleaning at very high mileages. Oil dilution, less common than L15B7, but possible similar to the 1.5T. Some direct injection engines, especially in colder climates or with frequent short trips, can experience minor fuel dilution in the oil. Honda has generally addressed this with software. Turbocharger longevity. Potential. While generally reliable, turbos are wear items. There have been some isolated reports of turbocharger failures at lower mileages, though not a widespread epidemic. Longevity largely depends on proper maintenance and how the car is driven, e.g., proper warm-up/cool-down. Less VTEC kick. Subjective for purists who love the dramatic high RPM VTEC engagement of older Honda engines, The turbocharged K20C's power delivery is more linear, and the VTEC kick sensation is largely absent. Complexity. The addition of a turbocharger and direct injection adds more components and complexity compared to the simpler naturally aspirated engines, potentially leading to more expensive repairs if issues arise. Higher fuel consumption. When driven hard while efficient when cruising, pushing the K20C, especially the Type R variants, hard will lead to significantly higher fuel consumption due to the boost. Faults and breakdowns. Overall, the K20C engine is considered very reliable, especially for a high-output turbocharged engine. Major, widespread faults are not common. Most reported issues are minor or related to specific components. Minor oil leaks. Like any engine, valve cover gaskets, oil pan seals, or other minor seals can develop leaks with age and mileage. Timing chain/tensioner wear. While chain-driven at very high mileages or with neglected maintenance, the timing chain can stretch or the tensioner can wear, leading to rattling noises. Turbocharger issues. Although generally robust, as a mechanically stressed component, the turbocharger could potentially fail. Symptoms include loss of power, strange noises, whining, grinding, or excessive smoke from the exhaust. Fuel system, DI-specific high-pressure fuel pump, HPFP, or fuel injector issues are possible with any direct injection system, though not reported as common K20C failures. Engine mounts. Deterioration of engine mounts can occur, leading to increased vibration. Recalls. As with any mass-produced vehicle, there can be recalls for specific components that affect the engine or its related systems. E.g., some Honda Accord 2.0T models had a recall for a potentially faulty fuel pump. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the K20C varies significantly by application, Type R versus Accord/CR-V, and driving style. Real-world, mixed driving owners often report 8.5 to 11.0 L/100 km, 26 to 33 mpg imperial. Spirited driving will easily push this to 12 L/100 km, 23 mpg imperial, or more. Considering the power output, the fuel efficiency of the K20C is generally very respectable. Timing. The Honda 2.0 Turbo K20C engine uses a timing chain to manage valve timing. This is a durable design intended to last the life of the engine with proper maintenance. There is no scheduled replacement interval for the timing chain. Oil type. Honda specifies 0W, 20 full synthetic engine oil for most K20C applications, including the Civic Type R. It's crucial to use oil that meets API-SN Plus or ILSAC GF 6A specifications to protect against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, which is a risk for small displacement, high-output direct injection turbocharged engines. Capacity. Oil capacity is typically around 5.5 to 5.7 liters, 5.8 to 6.0 U.S. quarts, with a filter chain for the K20C1 and slightly less for other variants. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise capacity and recommended oil. Maintenance. Regular oil changes are absolutely critical for the longevity of the K20C, especially the high-performance Type R variant. Due to the stresses of direct injection and turbocharging, some enthusiasts opt for more frequent oil changes, e.g., every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or 8,000-12,000 km, then Honda's often longer maintenance minder intervals, especially if the car is driven hard. Versions and history. The K20C engine is part of Honda's Earth Dreams technology initiative, focusing on advanced powertrain efficiency and performance. Engine codes. K20C1. This is the most well-known and highest output version, found in the Honda Civic Type R FK2, FK8, FL5 generations. It's built for high performance with a closed deck block, forged crankshaft, and robust internals. K20C2, a more mainstream version used in base models of the 10th and 11th generation Honda Civic in some markets, e.g., North American-based Civic. It's naturally aspirated, not turbocharged, and designed for economy. Note: The user specifically asked for turbo K20C, so the K20C1/C4 are the most relevant. K20C4. This is a turbocharged variant, though less extreme than the C1, used in the 10th generation Honda Accord 2.0T, Acura RDX 3rd Gen, and Acura TLX 2nd Gen. It offers strong performance, but is tuned for smoother delivery and refinement suitable for daily drivers. Introduction. The K20C series marked Honda's return to turbocharged performance engines. The K20C1 first appeared in the FK2 Honda Civic Type R in 2015, European market, then the FK8 Type R global 2017 onwards, and most recently the FL5 Type R. Development. The K20C series leverages Honda's long history with the K-series architecture, but heavily re-engineered it for forced induction and direct injection. It features technologies aimed at improving both performance and emissions, such as a variable valve lift on the exhaust side, in addition to the intake VTC and VTC, and a DAX crankshaft offset, where the crankshaft center is offset from the cylinder bore center to reduce friction during the power stroke. In summary, the Honda 2.0 Turbo K20C engine is a modern marvel, showcasing Honda's ability to create powerful, efficient, and refined turbocharged powertrains. It has successfully moved Honda into the era of forced induction while largely maintaining the brand's reputation for engineering excellence and reliability. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.